everyone! Today we are here in Family Restaurant Smorgasbord, located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. They offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffet. But we are here for a quick lunch. We all want fried chicken and fries. We are going to sit at the very back of the restaurant at the cafe where it's nice and quiet and cozy. If you're not eating at the buffet, they offer this menu to choose your hot entrees, sandwiches, sides, soup and salad, chicken pot pie, dessert. They even have kids menu. Our dinner rolls arrive. This bread is nice and soft and it's fluffy too. And it's good and fresh. So my fried chicken and french fries arrived and we all got the same thing. And I order macaroni and cheese as my side. My daughter asked for applesauce and I'm gonna taste it. The applesauce tastes very good. This is my husband's chicken corn soup and that tastes so good. Right, Louis?
Good, delicious.
That's good. The chicken is crispy in the outside and it's juicy in the inside, and it has good flavor. The french fries, they are amazing. Crispy in the outside and soft in the inside. That is so good. That's creamy and cheesy. How's your chicken?
Good, delicious.
They have this cute gift shop inside the restaurant. They have kids' toys, games.
Thank you.
Look at these little wallets for the little girls and boys. They also have souvenirs like these canned goods, homemade soup, chili, ice cream, and beverage. They even have these cute hoodies. They have home decorations, crafts, and check out these cute tumblers and mugs. Our food here was very good, especially the fluffy bread. So if you're in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, we recommend Family Restaurant Smorgasbord. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be part of our adventure. Thank you for watching.